So in today's video, I'm going to re-decor my closet space. I've been hiding it from you dolls because like look how pathetic it is. I mean, it's 11 o'clock at night. I don't expect myself to get much done, but I definitely expect myself to get started. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm really hoping that I can accomplish what I want to accomplish. I'm a work in progress. Oh my gosh. Look, respect the process. Outfit of the evening. If you haven't seen my TJ Maxx haul, go ahead and check that video out first. Because basically I did do a haul of all the decorative pieces that I had purchased in order to decorate my top shelf. I'll just start by taking out all the things on the top shelf and then we will just continue. What is up, dolls? It's your girl, American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. Please stay and subscribe. My only goal right now is to literally just take everything out. Let me just time lapse this part so that literally took, I don't know, like a couple of minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so, geesh. I didn't realize I have so many things. Okay, well, let me sleep on it, and I will see you dolls in the morning, and we will continue this. It's definitely the next day. I'm going to start with this area here, which is my top shelf. And the reason why is because when I am filming, this is what you're going to see from the mirror reflecting. So, wish me luck. Towels. I think it's really beautiful, black and white. I always love black and white with pops of color, as you can tell. Alright, dolls, so things are coming together. I'm definitely liking this whole, like, more of like a lounge, chill, relaxing space. I feel like it's practical. It's got, like, enough storage space. Amazon came through. I just love that, like, that greenery around me. I don't know, like, some people are like ocean people, some people like mountains as their view, some people like cities. I love, like, green plants. I just think that this adds life to the area, especially as a nice contrast to white. And let's just go ahead and get started. So I got that, yada yada. It came with like these twist ties just in case, you know, if you want to make like swirls or whatever. It's got this like double-sided tape. So, and it's supposed to be safe to put on walls. Easy life go. I hang this up here so this is like my little like vision board or whatever. You know, so let's go ahead and have some fun with this. Alright, dolls, we are ready for the final reveal. So just keep in mind that these items were just more about decorative pieces, mainly the top shelf. And as far as like organizing everything, I've got things that are not organized, which is like candles and like all my makeups and things. So I probably will do another declutter shortly, but just keep that in mind. Basically, since we see already what's in the back there, let's go ahead and start there. I'm so grateful that I got all these pieces. I love the vines. For you dolls who have seen my TJ Maxx video, then you know, and you'll see all these pieces that are familiar. Sorry about the glare. I used that plant. So again, I used this decorative piece. It's so cute. I love it. That vase, I actually did put that tin can up there. I have a little blanket in there. So that's like a storage space. And I just like the ruffle of that blanket coming out or folded out on the storage basket or bin. Just to add that greenery, definitely creates a space of like a peace haven, of relaxation. Got the mirror up there, and I was able to use the bases, and this is like the main space from when I'm filming, dolls. So when you look here when I'm filming, and you'll be able to see that, and so hopefully you dolls will also be able to share that peaceful scenery with me when I'm filming, so you can stare at that instead of just bags and things like that. And I mean, you know, when I think about it, bags are not all those stuff and things. It just kind of takes up space, and I'm just on a different vibe these days, so I'm gonna go with that. Anyway, so I got this fake plant, I got that vase. The vines were perfect. I used every single vine, and I feel like it's really created this beautiful, luscious space. I got to use the basket for my TJ Maxx haul, both baskets. So again, keep in mind that I am going to be reorganizing and actually decluttering my makeups and storage. So I will probably make a video on that so you guys can do it with me. We can declutter together if there's a space, you know, out with the old and with the new. There's a cute little 50-cent bird that I got at TJ Maxx. It's like actually really messy. I just have like headbands and things like this on top here, but yeah, it's pretty boring, not really aesthetically pleasing. But I got my shoes section here. Pretty much I keep these clothes in here because this is like my vibe. Yeah, I just feel like these types of colors definitely look more expensive. So yeah, just that color combo dolls for sure. And these baskets here, basically I had like a storage bin. In fact, it's like the frames here. And I just took them out and I just put them up here just to kind of like fill the space. As you can see, I just had like makeups, some other things. So this is actually embarrassing because it's just like storage things. Some candles. Oh, here's that silver bird I got from my TJ Maxx. I don't know where to put her. Yeah, this part is like, meh. I don't really like this section here. And then in here, I have my vision boards. So I have my little robe here. And then, yeah, I always have my hair turbans, as you know, I love hair turban. And dolls, keep in mind, I do have some space here because I am probably going to add different types of artworks or pictures or things like that. So I like to keep that area available. And also, I just put the vines like along this wall here. So it looks kind of natural. Like this is my little, I guess, Princess Haven or Enchanted Garden in that sense. But the main idea is just to give us a lot more range whenever I'm filming. And so that if you dolls are able to take in some of this background, I think it'll give you dolls peace as well. I hope it does, as it does for me. You dolls have seen my inspo cart currently, so these are just the things that get me in the mood for the season. So that's kind of what this inspo cart is about. This is my vanity. So, you know, I'm really just blessed. I'm really happy with everything. The space and the way that it's coming together. This area, of course, is still like obviously so last season, so spring, summer, right? I'll probably do like a declutter with me, and I'll just probably gonna change this up to make it look more fall. I really want it to make me feel some kind of way because dolls, obviously I'm an emotional person, and literally if you've seen me, if you're watching me, you know that I get emotional over inanimate objects such as makeups or perfume. So I'm highly sensitive to like things of the senses. So I think it's just really important for me to keep me in a very positive space. I'm definitely gonna just declutter my vanity, make it more like fall slash autumn or winter. We'll see when I get to it. These are the next few videos that I'm going to go ahead and be filming. So I got 3 videos coming out for you dolls. So definitely stay tuned. Click the notification bell, yada yada, you know the drill. I have a cool DIY project video that I'm gonna go ahead and show. So sneak peek. That's pretty much everything else, dolls. I mean, let's see if I can give you guys one more look around here. So here we go. I'm actually gonna film the next video, or I'm gonna try to do 3 videos today, and I really have so much content to get out, and I keep talking about it, you know, and I just need to get it done. I'm super excited to like just get all these videos out to you dolls, and more importantly, I'm so grateful for the friendships and the doll besties now that I have, and you know, obviously long term. What's up, Draggy, for sure. So many new dolls, and I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you, for everyone, whether you put a comment or not, or a like. I actually absolutely appreciate the comments and the likes very much. I read all of them, and I try to reply to every single one. And again, you dolls, welcome, welcome. You know, just come hang out with us. We just basically experiment, we have fun, we do girly things, and we just be our weird selves. It's like a safe place for us to have fun and experiment and just hang out. I love you dolls so much. Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, keep shining, and do not let anyone else make you feel otherwise. So, I will see you dolls in the next video. Bye dolls.